So it's time to change out the wardrobe with a season change. And who doesn't want to share a cool space-saving hack for your jeans? So you just lay your jeans on the bed and you take these pant legs and you just take them to the top. And then you take them up and you take them to the top again. And then fold them to the side. Again. Lay the pants down. Take them to the top. And again. Fold. We're just going to do a few pair. It's always cool to learn something new and try to find a safe space because you're told that you use up too much of the closet. So anyway, you got this. So now we have 4 pair of jeans, nicely stacked. And then we have our little container. These will fit nicely in here, into the container. And now this will go right on to the closet top.